Hey, you're going to be joining a lecture on the 1918 Spanish influenza pandemic hoax. And I want you to listen carefully as to what our lecturer will say about the ability of viruses.
Here's a tree. Here's a real schematic phylogenetic tree where if you looked at a bunch of human DNA sequences, they would trace back to a common ancestor about 100,000 years ago. If you compared them to chimpanzee DNA, there's many more changes in each lineage before you get back to the common ancestor, say 5 million years ago. So now let's switch to 2009 swine flu. So the new flu that jumped into humans in 2009, we found...
Did you hear that? The new flu that jumped into humans in 2009. It jumped. You know what's interesting is a lot of these virologists will tell you that a virus is not alive, but it's not dead. Well, how does something that's not alive jump? Come on now, follow me. You got to see the big picture here. But this one jumped into humans. Let's listen some more here.
Not too many months, maybe 4 months before the first case was noticed. But if you compare the human virus to the closest pig viruses, and every one of the 8 segments was a pig segment. So this thing jumped directly from pigs. Yep.
Did you hear that? It jumped directly from pigs. Well, I can prove that it did. So let's just go ahead and prove to you that it jumped from pigs. Here's how it took place, folks. Okay, that virus is there. There it goes. The virus jumped. It jumped from pigs. There's the virus. Look out for the virus that jumps from pigs. Hey, it's right near you, folks. The jumping virus. It jumps from pigs into human beings. Hey, you're learning a lot about virology, right? There, come on, jump. You can do it. Jump, jump, jump. She's going to tell you how the pigs jump, how they trained them. There they go. There they go. There goes another virus. Come on. Come on, virus. Come on. You might need some help. You might need some help. You got some help. And you jumped right in to that host body. Oh, my. How about that? Oh, wasn't that something? Now you know all about the viruses and how they jump. Hey, but there's probably more.
And what that means is that the actual constellation of genome segments that formed that 2009 virus formed many years before it jumped into human.
It formed many years before it jumped into humans. It jumped into humans. Aren't you glad you're listening to this lecture?
And our surveillance of pigs is obviously so bad that no one knew about it until it jumped into humans.
The surveillance of pigs. Well, let's set up surveillance cameras on those pigs. And if you see the pigs starting to jump like you just saw in that video, you'll know that a deadly virus is nearby. Well, it's all a joke, folks. I hope you can see it. It's all a joke. And it's a joke that is evil. And it comes from the evil one. But Jesus Christ came to destroy the works of the devil. His works are destroyed on this channel. The one who destroyed them is Jesus. You get Christ in you. He's the hope of glory. You get the mind of Christ, and all this nonsense will dissipate. You take every thought captive to Christ, and the hoax-lie system will not be real to you anymore. I'd like to thank you for watching. End of video.